Something was barring the door from the other side.
Oh, no, you won't. Get out! Get out! No one's driving me out of my home.
Careful with that gun, lady.
The detective from 304? I have another gun like this if you need it. I didn't want to shoot. He gave me no choice. This is my home. I have a right to defend it.
He's up there.
No, put it back on here.
Kaufman wants us taken care of. Let's just find it. Let's just find Shoot!
Such a nice young man, coming to see an old lady like me.
Just passing through, ma'am.
Such a nice boy. Not like the ones upstairs. They say they're renovating, but it's too quiet. They're up to no good. The doctor gave me pills for my hip, but it's all better now. You should take them. You look a bit pinched, dear. They're in the bathroom. With all these clips...
I'd found the sniper's hut.
Leave a message. Hey, where are you? You're late again. Look, listen, I'm here for episode.
The building trembled as in a seizure. The sound of an explosion came from the direction of my apartment.
Thank you for calling Dangerous Liaison.
Oh my God!
Catch
oh my
this!
God. Oh my God!
No, no, no! You can't.
I wasn't gonna get through without the code. Behind the door were the suites. They weren't an improvement on the regular apartments.
They're crazy. Hell, they want to clean me out. Damn, I'll die! Thanks, fella. You saved me.
They barred the door from the outside. These are terrible times. The tyranny of cleaners.
Okay,
You stay here.
okay.
It's not the same thing. I'm telling you. I understand.
Welcome back to our return to... Mira and my girlfriend. I was part of some elaborate game. Every time I looked over my shoulder, I saw a shadow disappear.
The explosion in my
Stop him! Coward! No!
Mona had come through here. The dead cleaner's a sign of her passage.
Somebody get some. Oh, bless you. I owe you one.
This is where the fun starts.
Yeah, no sweat. Used to be on a job. I was a cop like you.
All right, follow my lead.
Yeah, I was a cop. Cost me my marriage.
Goddamn
Long
slime,
hours.
what's up? There are people
She was
trapped in here.
terrified something would happen to me. I busted my hump. She up and left me. Ah, sure. Started hitting the bottle. Anyone would have.
Oh, the sons of bitches have locked the door. You coming to my rescue?
Something like that. We need to...
You could probably...
Freeze, sucker! Rat bastard!
The gas valve was in the utility room. With the gas turned off, the fire on the third floor was no longer a problem.
You can't hide!
There he is!
Mona's place was a closed down. I felt like I was walking into a trap. I felt guilty, like I was about to get caught. There had been no lock on the front door. I had wondered why the place wasn't packed with hobos and stray dogs. Little one.
The flesh. Oh, death is coming. It's coming. I think you're here. It's taking your method. We're forced to operate. The flesh. I think I died. I think I'm dead. I don't know.
Your past has a way of sneaking up on you. You'll hear broken echoes of it everywhere, like a bad replay. You get mad at everybody for reminding you about it, even if it's all in your head. Of your life, you're a lucky man if you can laugh at the joke. Luck and I weren't on speaking terms. Or maybe the place was just too lame to be funny. A fun house is a linear sequence of scares. Take it or leave it is the only choice given.
Yes, this is he.
Makes you think about free will. Have our choices been made for us because of who we are? I was behind the backdrops, getting warm. When I'd first met Mona, her twin sister had been killed. It must have felt like madness, schizophrenia in reverse. Your other self suddenly falling silent. We had both lost our loved ones. The weapons and explosives in her workroom left no questions about her vocation.
Going somewhere, little brother?
My lord, Jack, what on earth? Why are you left here in dark?
I'll tell you one thing, Mona, you're no singer.
You've switched tactics. We need to talk.
Bring me a towel, will you? Now that you're here, you can watch my back while I get dressed. You operate the elevator from here and I'll go up.
I'll go up.
You're the man. I have the floor plans in front of me. I can guide you through.
How come you're alive, anyway? I saw you take a bullet to the head.
Maybe it's still there. Keeps me focused.
For this to work, I was gonna have to trust her.
Let's get to work. Cleaners ahead and to the left, guarding Corcoran's door at the opposite end of the hall.